How to get account number and transfer PIN from Spectrum. Welcome to Glitch Sorcerer. Let's jump right into the video. If you're looking to get account number and transfer PIN from Spectrum, then follow these simple steps. Step 1 is to open up any web browser you want. Now search for Spectrum Login. Tap on this website, that is spectrum.net. Once you're in here, you first want to log into your account. For that, tap on the option of Sign In. Here, you want to enter your username, then enter your password and tap on the option of Sign In. Once you have been signed in to your account, go to Profile and navigate to your account information. Now go to Sign In and Security option and spot your transfer. Take note of your security PIN. You can also get your transfer PIN or security code using the My Spectrum app. Download the app if you haven't already and connect with a stable internet connection. Open the My Spectrum app on your mobile device and log into your account. Navigate to your account information and go to Sign In and Security option to find your transfer PIN. Then you want to take note of your transfer PIN. To find your Spectrum mobile account number, you can check your billing statement. You can download and open the Spectrum account billing statement to spot your account number. Look for the account number on the billing statement. It's unique to each customer and you will need it to transfer to another carrier network. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.